What's going on? Where you got today? Where you got today? Where you headed today, La Jolla?
Now it's fucking, what here, Menifee, it's Menifee, Corona, and then, what's the other place right here?
Paris?
Yeah.
Right on. Headed out here to wine country, man.
Wine country? Yeah. I got 3 installs. Only 3 cars.
Yeah, I got a bunch. My shit's all piled up. That's what I'm going to do right now, full install. Upflow in the garage, though, so shouldn't be too bad.
Garage? Oh, those are my favorites.
Yeah. All right, man.
Later, brother.
Later. All right, man, take it easy. Full system today. Let's get it. All right. Okay, say goodnight to the bad guys. All right. Placing this. Taking that. We're going to end up placing both of these units, but today we're just doing one. All right, let's get cracking. All right. See the thermostats out here. This one. Make sure I got the right unit. I like these bikes. What's that do? Pedigo? All right, take this out. I'll drop it at the end of the driveway so Omar can get it. Make my life easy. You know what I'm saying? No sense in breaking your back. You got the tools. You got to use them. Not killing myself or nobody. This ain't happening. Love this gate. All right, let's get back to work. Behold, the Lennox. There you are. Bada bing. Easy day. Like a glove. Look at that. Huh? Look at them apples, huh? All right. That's going to sit in there. I'll straighten that out. Get some screws in it. We'll be good, baby. Like a glove. All right, there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. All right, the vacuum's been holding. We're good to go. I'm about to let this go. Okay, so wow, they tied into this, bro. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Hey, I don't know, man. But I'm gonna leave it the way it is. All right. All right, just setting the charge on this bad boy. And yeah, we're gonna get the hell out of here. We'll see what Eddie's got going on. He's putting in a X series today. So we'll go over there and see how he's doing, man. See if he needs a hand with anything. Ooh. Gross. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna be changing this out for him too. Probably in a few weeks. But yeah, give him a new 5-ton Lennox, upflow, coil condenser, and furnace. Gonna be getting rid of this puppy too. This old girl, she's gonna be gone too. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, got this baby dialed in, baby. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you guys like these videos, be sure to head over to my YouTube channel, like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll definitely be posting some more videos. Got a coil condenser install tomorrow. I don't know if Eddie's gonna be around or not, but that's pretty much it for this one, man. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.